Okay. So Boolean and none. Like I was telling earlier, now for knowing what a Boolean value is, see, when you say Boolean, right? Boolean, in Boolean, there are only two values, two kind of results you'll get. Either it will be a yes result or a no result. Okay. Now, what I mean by result is, see, when I say 2 plus 4, okay, I have 6. When I say 6 plus 4, it is 10. When I say 6 into 4, it is 24. So, for various operations, I'll have various kinds of output for in mathematics, general mathematics. But in Boolean maths, for any kind of operation, you'll only get a yes or no as an answer. Okay. There'll be no numbers, there'll be no notations, nothing. Yes will be represented as true. Okay. And no will be represented as false. Now, where you use this, for example, I am writing a code, okay, where I'm trying to find if a student in a class has a name which starts with A and a name which ends with E. Okay, so how I'll specify? For example, if I have something called Anis, okay, so if I say whether name starts with A and ends with E. Okay. Now, the kind of answer that you'll give me for this will be either yes, true, or false, no, right? So, this is what is Boolean algebra. So, this and, when you say and, it means you need both the left-hand side condition as well as the right-hand side condition to be satisfied. Okay. Only when both of these are true, the total result will be true. Okay. It is like, how do you say? I want a candy and I want the candy to be red in color. Okay. So I want a candy which is red in color and and the candy should taste like lemon. So that is my condition. I want it both to be red as well as lemon, as well as it should have a lemony flavor. Okay. So that is where we use and. It's just basic English. It's right. When you say and, it means both this and that should be true. Okay. Now, when I say name, same thing. Name starts with A or name ends with E. Now, when I say this, it means I'm okay if my candy is red or my candy has lemony flavor, which means I can take candies which are red in color as well as I can take candies which are lemony flavored. If a lemony flavored candy is in blue color, I have no issues. I will still take it. If a red color candy has a watermelon flavor, I have no issues. I will still take it. I just want either of these conditions to be true. So for those kind of things, I'll be using an OR. So what an OR does, either the left-hand side condition should be true or the right-hand side condition should be true. Okay. Only if both are, now if I get a candy which is blue in color and has a watermelon taste, I will not take it because it neither is red nor it has lemony flavor. All right. Do you understand? In OR, either of the conditions should be true for the result to be true. Otherwise, it will be false. All right. In AND, both of my conditions should be satisfied or true for my end result to be true. So this is what is Boolean. Basically, you use and or, and another one you have is not. Not is nothing but it's just like I don't want a candy which is red in color. So you'll say not red, right? So that is what a not is. It is the opposite of red. Whatever which is not red is what I want. All right. So when I say not red, and I give my and I say my candy is blue, then it will be true. But if I say my candy is red, it is false, right? It is not. It is red. It's not red. You understand? Not is the opposite of what I'm specifying. Okay. Only if it is the opposite of what I'm specifying, it will be true. Otherwise, it will be false. Okay. It's just it corresponds to your basic English meaning. And means I want this and that. I will not be satisfied with just one of it. Or means I'm okay with either this or that. And not means I don't want it. Anything which is not this is fine with me. Okay. For guys who don't know Boolean, is this clear enough? Do you understand what Boolean algebra is now? This is just a basic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you understood? So a Boolean will only have two values. Okay. A Boolean data type will have only two values, true or false. All right. And then, like I already explained to you, none will have no value. It is a null. It means it's void. It has nothing in it. Right. So for those kind of data, I'll use none. When I want to say something like uh, I have absolutely nothing. I have no data to represent. So in those places, you can use none. Okay. When we start using this practically, you'll understand better. Okay. I'll